Hi, I'm Patrick Aubrey, a senior here at Whitmer High School, and we are going to go check out the machining and industrial robotics room here at Whitmer High School. I'm somewhat interested in this career and I really want to learn more about it, so let's go check it out. Hi, I'm PJ Aubrey, a senior here at Whitmer High School.
I'm Mr. Peters, teacher for machining and industrial robotics.
Now, can you tell me what exactly this program is?
Sure, so in here, we're gonna learn how to safely use all the different machines and tools in here. And what we'll do is we'll take different pieces of metal, we'll follow blueprints, we'll create projects, and then we'll also get to learn a little bit about industrial robotics and programming. It looks menacing with the saw blade there, but once again, it's another machine that all the controls, how we use it, are up here at the top.
Wow.
So as long as we learn our safety, everything in here is completely, safe to use. There's no risk of anything.
So what kind of careers would one get into machining, industrial robotics, and whatnot?
So there's a wide variety. You can do stuff that's more simple, where you just, you don't have to go to a lot of school, you don't have to go to trade school or go to college, and you're gonna work with your hands a lot. We have much bigger machines that are controlled by computers. You can learn how to create those programs. So it goes from us doing it manually by our hands to having a computer do it, and that's how most of the parts in our cars, stuff like that, are made
makes sense.
on a computer-controlled machine. Put our work, you can see we were practicing with this here. We got a lot of just random holes. We were practicing on our drill press here. We put it in the vise, lock the vise down. We normally put a drill bit in here. Then we'll turn it on, and then once again, it's safe to use. Your hands are away from everything. The great thing about this industry is there's such a huge need for young people coming in that a lot of employers will pay for your trade school. So you can go on and you can have a great career with no money out of pocket, because they're going to cover all that for you.
Oh, that sounds interesting. I didn't even know that. Great, there's a lot of machines in here. I don't know how any of them work, but I'm learning.
There you go.
What makes you most excited to teach kids about using machines, learning how to operate them?
So just working with young people like yourself, being able to show you something where maybe you haven't done everything you need to do in school along the way, but I can give you some skills. I can get you into a job after this where they're gonna pay for your schooling, and it's a potential to change your life and set you up with a career just from taking this class.
Okay. Well, that was really cool. I learned a lot today. I learned about how to use the machines. I learned about safety. I learned about future job opportunities. I can go to school, not pay a single dime. My employer will pay for it, I might have to do this in the future. Anyways, that's me tuning out from the machining and industrial robotics room at Whitmer High School.